In my last video, we discussed about how to identify coins. By now, you must have already decided on the type of coin collection you would like to begin and started collecting coins. In this video, I shall discuss about how to clean your coins. Now let's begin. If we don't follow the correct cleaning process, it can damage your coin, thus reducing their value. So before start cleaning your coins, especially valuable coins, it is advisable to follow the details explained in this video or check with some professionals to avoid any damage to your coins. Generally, there are three methods for cleaning coins, depending upon the type of the coin, whether common, rare, error, and the metal composition of the coins. First method, simple cleaning. Step 1. Hold the coin under warm water. This will allow your faucet to remove the initial dirt built up. The faucet should have enough water pressure to remove the dirt from the coin. Hold the coin under the faucet for about a minute only on each side. Once you're done, place them aside on a paper or a cotton towel. Step 2. Place the coins in a solution of dish soap and water. Make a solution in a small bowl, mixing water from your faucet and dish soap, and dip each coin in this bath individually. Hold the coin between your index finger and your thumb and softly rub dirt from the face of the coin. If you have a particularly dirty coin, allow it to soak in the solution for a while and then clean it. Step 3. Brush the coins with a soft toothbrush or a paper towel. Brush your coins while they are still in the soap and water solution. Keep brushing until the face of the coin turns shiny again. Then rinse the coin to avoid any visible scratches left over from the loosened dirt. Step 4. Dry each coin with a towel and store them in a dry place. Make sure that each coin is free of moisture before you put them away. Your coins should now be shiny and have a good luster. Second method is by soaking the coins. Step 1. Create a coin bath made of isopropyl alcohol and salt. These chemicals are abrasive and acidic and will clean your coin of any built-up dirt. Make your coin bath by adding 2 tablespoons salt into 1 cup of water, 1 cup over-the-counter isopropyl in a bowl. Mix the solution and place your coin in it. Let the coin soak anywhere from 2 hours to 1 week, depending on how dirty your coins are. Step 2. Rinse the coins over your sink with distilled water. Tap water has chemicals like chlorine that will erode your coins over time. Step 3. Dab the coins with a cloth and allow them to air dry. Turn them over and repeat the process and make sure the coins are fully dried because moisture can damage your coins over a period. Step 4. Store your coins in an acid-free plastic folders at room temperature. Third method, cleaning collectible coins. Step 1. You should always consult with a professional coin grading service before you clean your collectible coins. Cleaning collectible coins can significantly reduce their value. When you are handling antique coins, always hold them on the edge, not on their face. Oils and fingerprints can hurt a coin's value. Step 2. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline with a cotton swab. Use a dedicated lint-free cloth and lightly dab the coin until the Vaseline is removed. This is a way to pick up any unwanted dust or dirt without damaging the value of the coin. When doing this, be careful and use a magnifying glass. Step 3. Put the coins in an acetone bath for 5 seconds. Leaving any acetone on your coin can add a brownish haze on them and reduce their costs significantly. It's imperative that you immediately rinse your coins with the distilled water and get all the acetone off the coin before allowing it to dry. So we have discussed about how to clean the coins. Now watch this video again and again and understand the coin cleaning process thoroughly. Only after that you should start cleaning your coins. Remember, always watch my videos till the end so that you don't miss out any important details and also for better understanding. Please subscribe to my channel to get the notification about my latest uploads. Also share your experience with your friends and send in your comments. Thank you for watching my videos and keep watching. Have a good day.